Welcome back once again. It's your boy Abdul. I'm here to give you a video. We're going to talk about Celtic salt. It's blowing up on TikTok, so we're going to talk a little bit about it. Let's get into it. Everyone is saying Celtic salt, it lowers blood pressure, it gets rid of joint pains, it's good for your skin, all these things like that. Celtic salt is excellent for you. But there are some caveats. There's some things you need to know. Does Celtic salt lower your blood pressure? It can in very small amounts, okay? But this is if you're not consuming processed salts, okay? So if you are out there eating foods that's rich in sodium already, and I'm talking about processed salts like salami, bologna, you're having hot dogs, you're eating chips, you're eating popcorn, and all that other stuff, anything else that has processed food that have sodium in it, it's not going to do that, okay? It's not going to lower your blood pressure because it's giving you extra sodium that you already don't need. Salt or Celtic salt or Celtic salt is made up about like 30-40% sodium, it's about 50% chloride, and then it's all these other minerals included in there. So if you're trying to use it for lowering your blood pressure and you're already eating processed salts, it's not going to do it, okay? So let's get that out the way. Number 2, Celtic salt is rich in magnesium. That is true compared to salt. It's compared to salt. It's rich in magnesium compared to other salts. Himalayan salt also has magnesium in it, but a small amount. Celtic salt has a higher amount. But Celtic salt doesn't have as much as figs. Celtic salt doesn't have as much as spinach. It doesn't have as much as soybeans and other rich foods, pumpkin seeds. So it's relative. It's a small amount. You think about it. I think for every 100 grams of Celtic salt, you get 30 milligrams of magnesium. That's not enough to really do anything as far as the magnesium. So let's not focus on that, okay? So don't worry about the magnesium from Celtic salt. Get it from your food sources or get it from supplementation or something like that. Not necessarily from the salt. Number 3, is it good for your skin? Of course it is. Salt in general. You do a salt scrub, you do a salt bath, it's excellent for the skin, and Celtic salt is also going to help. Celtic salt is really good for hydration. That is absolutely right. If you are consuming water and you add just a pinch of Celtic salt in there, it allows the body to hydrate. Water follows salt. That means the salt will get into the cells. It will pass. It'll allow the water to go into the cell. You can use it like that. You can do that with Celtic salt or you can do that with Himalayan salt, okay? So Celtic salt give you about 80-something minerals. Himalayan salt gives you like 90-something minerals, okay? But Celtic salt has less sodium per gram than Himalayan salt. But they're both mineral rich. So I just want to kind of get this out here for y'all so y'all understand what it is when it comes down to this big rave on Celtic salt. Is it as good as everyone said it is? It's good, but you have to put it in perspective. You have to put it in perspective, all right? Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for tuning into The Health Man. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube.